we've all got a few loose screws, right? Well, I'm actually talking about things in our house, not necessarily in our brain, but that's another story. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and tighten a set screw on a French door. The screw's gotten loose over time and caused the door handle to actually pull out. It's a really simple fix, but a lot of people oftentimes don't even know that there's a set screw or where to start. And so this is something you can do so you don't have to call a contractor, come over and simply tighten the screw. So on this handle, on the underside, there's actually a set screw that we can use an Allen wrench to unscrew, push it in, and tighten. So you'll see there's a little hole right here, and that's where the little set screw is. We're going to take our Allen wrench. And now I can pull it right off. So you'll see inside, it may be hard to see, but inside there's a little screw sticking out. That little tip is pushing into the piece sticking out here. There's a little groove on that. My hand on the other side of the door handle, pushing it in so it's tight. Now it's completely tight, not loose, pulling it off. There's going to be some normal wiggle. That's all it is. So all it took was one little Allen wrench. Now we got one less loose screw, one less loose handle in our house.